Every vendor in this space claims they've gone AI first, but claiming it and actually rebuilding your delivery workflow around it are two different things. The partner you choose here doesn't just affect this quarter's velocity, it shapes your code base for years. So we looked past the marketing and ranked the U.S. firms that can back up their AI claims with real delivery data. We ranked every company against 4 criteria that actually matter. Team scale and maturity, because engineer count tells you what they can realistically staff. Verified clutch ratings, reviews you can check yourself, not vague testimonials. How deeply Copilot tooling is embedded into their actual workflow, not just mentioned in a sales deck. And delivery credentials, the certifications and track record that prove they can execute at scale. First up is Inoxoft, a Copilot native development partner built for founders and CTOs who need serious engineering across healthcare, fintech, manufacturing, and other regulated industries. The numbers back it up: 94% client retention, over 230 completed projects, and a 200-plus in-house engineering team. They hold ISO 27001, 9001, and 27701 certifications, plus Microsoft Gold, Google Cloud, and ISTQB Silver partnerships. On Clutch, that's a perfect 5.0 rating across 74 verified reviews. And it's not just talk. Cursor AI and Claude are embedded directly into the workflow, delivering a documented 40% velocity increase, with 80% of ML projects reaching production within 3 months. Next is RTS Labs, a senior-led boutique out of Virginia specializing in the gap between prototype and production. Founded in 2010 with 51 to 200 engineers, they carry a 4.8 clutch rating from 24 verified reviews. Their focus is narrow and deliberate: applied AI, agentic workflows, and enterprise data engineering, with every engagement scoped against measurable ROI from day one. Coherent Solutions brings almost 3 decades of digital engineering experience. Founded in 1995 and now over 2,000 engineers strong across North America and Europe, they hold a 4.8 clutch rating from 30 verified reviews. Their Catalyst unit exists specifically to embed AI capability into a client's own workflows rather than just handing off a finished build. And they've delivered 10 enterprise AI solutions over the past 3 years, spanning NLP, generative AI, predictive analytics, and computer vision. STX next goes deep in regulated industries, financial services, healthcare, and compliance-heavy enterprise software, where documentation and security posture aren't optional. Founded in 2005, they've grown to over 500 experts and 1,000-plus delivered projects, earning a 4.9 clutch rating from 101 verified reviews, one of the strongest review counts on this list. Capability spans AI, ML, data engineering, cloud, and product design, though engagements typically start at $50,000 and up. Intuos rounds out the list by solving a problem most buyers don't discover until it's too late. What happens after launch? They build post-launch SLAs and model drift monitoring into every engagement as standard. Founded in 2008 with over 100 engineers and AWS consulting partner status, they hold a 4.7 clutch rating from 52 verified reviews. GDPR and HIPAA compliance come standard across custom ML, LLM, RAG, computer vision, and MLOps work. So why does Inoxoft stand out? 4 reasons. Every engagement runs Cursor AI and Claude end-to-end, through development, QA, deployment, and documentation. No subcontracted developers, no junior pod handoffs. The velocity numbers are documented, not promised. 40% faster delivery, 2 to 3 times faster MVPs, and 80% of ML projects to production within 3 months. Security is built in from day one. ISO 27001, 9001, and 27701, plus Microsoft Gold, Google Cloud, and ISTQB Silver. And the commercial model flexes to your project: time and material, fixed price, dedicated team, or team extension. Here's the truth about this market in 2026. Most reputable firms look nearly identical on paper. Similar certifications, similar ratings, similar headcounts. What actually separates a strong partner from an average one shows up later, in how mature their co-pilot workflow really is, who's actually staffed on your project, and how cleanly they handle the scope changes every multi-phase engagement eventually faces. If you're ready to work with a team that's rebuilt its entire delivery process around AI, visit Inoxoft.com to get started.